In this video, I'll show you how to get the weighted average in Google Sheets. So in my example here, I have a student's grades and a different weight attached to each of those subjects. So this can be seen as a weight factor or an importance level that basically pushes a subject to being more or less important towards that overall average. So if there was no weight attached, I could just simply get the average of these 5 scores. How I would do that is get just the average and then select the 5 scores, and that would be my simple plain average. But I don't want that. I want to get the weighted average. So in Google Sheets, there's a function called AVERAGE.WEIGHTED. So you can use this and select, basically the values and then their weights. So the first array you select should be the values. So in this case, it's going to be our scores. And then the second array you select are the weights, meaning how important each value is or how heavy each value is towards the total average. So just select the weight like this and then hit enter. So there you have it. It was able to calculate the total weighted average for you. Another way to do this without the weighted average function is by using SUMPRODUCT, and then you need to specify both your arrays here. So you're going to select your score array and then your weight array. So how this works is it's basically going to get the product of each combination. So like 85 times 25 plus 90 times 25%, 75 times 25%, and so on. So that's the product part, and then it's going to sum everything. So that's the sum part. That's why it's called SUMPRODUCT. And then once you do that, you just need to divide by 100. Perfect. So in this case, you can see that the weighted average and the sum product resulted in the same answer. So there you have it. That's how to get the weighted average in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.